Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctors. When you are using a large language model, LLM, it's very important to know how to ask your request. And this is called prompting. And now there is a new job called prompt engineer, because when you talk to a large language model, you have to be exactly specific what you want. You need to tell him which task he is able to do and what you want from him, and he shall act like a consultant vascular surgeon, a registrar, a trainee, or a patient. What is his role that you want him to play, and what is the output that you want from him? Is it a PDF file or MP4 or an Excel sheet, and so on. So there is very common called prompt Jenny, and this is either a program you can add or just you can add it to Chrome as an extension called Prompt Jenny. Or what you can do much easier, you can tell the LLM itself, how can I request the following task? What is the better prompting that you can offer me? Then you can do the prompting. I will do a lecture about prompt technology for AI for doctors, because this is very important. A lot of doctor doesn't know how to ask LLM and what it gets from. So I will prepare this lecture in detail, but for the time being, you don't straight away ask for your request for large language model, but better to do a better prompt to get a better answer. And my name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. I wish you all the best.